Newborn hiccups are common and usually harmless. Many parents wonder how to help their little one stop hiccuping comfortably. Here are some gentle ways to help get rid of newborn hiccups. Feeding a newborn in smaller amounts can help reduce the chance of hiccups. Overfeeding or feeding too quickly may cause the baby's stomach to fill up quickly, putting pressure on the diaphragm, which may lead to hiccups. Offering smaller portions, more frequently, allows the baby to digest more comfortably, reducing the chance of hiccups. Burping the baby regularly during and after feeding is a simple way to reduce hiccups. Hiccups in newborns can be caused by swallowed air during feeding. By pausing to gently burp the baby every few minutes, it helps release trapped air before it causes pressure on the diaphragm. To burp the baby, hold them upright and gently pat their back until you hear a burp. After feeding, keeping the baby upright for 10 to 15 minutes can be very helpful. This position helps the milk or formula settle smoothly in the stomach and prevents any sudden pressure that can lead to hiccups. Holding the baby against your chest with their head on your shoulder works well. It not only reduces hiccups, but also helps with digestion. Sometimes, offering a pacifier can help relax the baby's diaphragm and reduce hiccups. Sucking on a pacifier allows the diaphragm to relax and can help the hiccups stop on their own. Just make sure the baby is calm and comfortable, as this can help make the hiccups go away faster. Feeding the baby in an upright position can also help prevent hiccups. When a baby is in a reclined position, they may swallow more air, which can lead to hiccups. Instead, try holding the baby at a slight angle during feeding, so the milk flows smoothly and less air is swallowed. This small change in feeding position can make a big difference. Gripe water is a safe and natural drink used to help calm babies with problems like gas, colic, or hiccups. Wellement's gripe water is a natural remedy designed to help soothe babies with gas, colic, or hiccups. It is made with organic ingredients like ginger and fennel. This gentle formula can help calm your baby's tummy and provide comfort. These gentle methods will help reduce and prevent newborn hiccups, providing comfort and relief for both the baby and parents.